Hey, what are you doing?
I'm routing cables.
Why?
I don't know, because I want to bring this sound somewhere.
Okay.
Why?
Why?
Because I want to record on multiple tracks.
Oh, that's a good idea.
It is. So I should go on continuing.
No, we are going to try it on my laptop.
Alright, let's go then.
Hey,
Welcome to
Code Cooking.
in English again.
Oh.
So yeah, we are going to try to route sound from FoxDot
Okay.
into other software.
Yeah?
Maybe for recording, maybe for sound processing, maybe for whatever you want to do with it.
Yeah, okay.
So
Big
it's going to be quite a little bit complicated, a little bit more advanced topic, a little bit, yeah. And it will be in a few phases. First FoxDot,
Yeah.
then some stuff in Super Collider, and then some stuff in routing software in the.
And the digital audio workstation.
I was thinking about the letters like DAW. What is it?
DAW.
Yeah. So let's get started.
Okay. So are you ready?
Yes, I am. Let's go for FoxDot.
Oh. Switching my desktop. Ooh.
That's nice. Cool. So FoxDot,
So,
you can put it in full screen, right?
Yeah, full screen. Okay. Ooh. There
So,
are already some
stuff,
yeah.
So the first 3 lines, we're going to do a little explanation. This is how to add a new FX in FoxDot as a temporary solution, more or less.
Yeah.
It's not like a hard.
No, if you
hard-coded.
reboot FoxDot, you will lost everything.
You will have to do it again.
So if you want to keep it permanently, you have to write it to a file or...
Yeah, to create an FX file special for this. This is not the scope of this tutorial, so we're not going to do that. But yeah, the first line is creating a new FX
called output, because we want
to output the sound somewhere.
the sound, yeah. So this is the file name it will create, and this
You
is
can put the same in there, yeah.
yeah.
And this is the parameter we're
default
going to change.
parameter.
Yeah, and default is 0.
And order is important. It's the place where the FX is.
Yes, because every FX is processed one after the other.
Okay.
So the order is the last.
It's
at the end. It's at the end.
Yeah.
So you can put like distortion, reverb before, and at the end you record. Makes sense.
Okay.
The second line is the important one.
Yeah, because we output with the output is the channel we want to
output to.
To output.
Yeah. So okay, and then there's a save to save.
So you create a file name output.scd.
Right.
In your FX folder.
Yeah.
You search, you will find it.
The next command is to update the list.
Okay.
Yeah. So that he knows that there's a new output. Okay.
So when you evaluate, you add your FX, and you can do a FoxDot reload.
We are not sure if it's necessary in this case, but it's always good.
Yeah,
I know.
You can try. You reload everything.
Yeah. And then we've got our 3 lines of code of music, and each time at the end we added an output.
Yeah. So you can add as you can see, I have a drum, a D bass, and a star synth, and each one are routed to another output. So I can record it separately.
Yes, and each time it's an even number because they've got 2 channels.
Yeah, it's in stereo mode.
So D bass is, for example, is output 4 and 5. Yeah, and so on. Yeah,
and 0 and 1 is the main output. So
is everything mixed together?
Yeah, everything mixed. So you start at 2. Okay.
Yeah. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7 for the star.
Yeah, maybe I can up.
Oh yeah. Okay, so now that's done in FoxDot. We are going to change the settings into the Super Collider.
Super Collider. Okay.
Because the default is he uses only 2 outputs.
Two, yeah.
So we have to change the settings. So let's switch to Super Collider maybe.
Okay. So
yeah, how to say one of the ways to do it, maybe the best way to do it.
I close it.
You close it. Is to change directly the Quirk of FoxDot. Yes. So Quirks are like little extensions for SpokeLider. So we take the Quirk from FoxDot. So
that's in language
Quirks.
As you can see here, FoxDot. You go to Show Classes, select FoxDot, Open File.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, and then you've got all the... You can change, by the way, other stuff in there. It's not, again, the scope of this tutorial, but it's about memory, how much memory you have, if you've got...
You've got the server option.
Server options, right.
Here is the mem size.
You can also change them directly into SpokeLider, not in the Quirk. It's an option also.
It's an option.
So here we're going to change the number.
But if you change here, it's definitely for FoxDot.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're going to change the output number.
Output channels here. I have 16. Okay. Basically, it's 2.
Yeah.
I can change to
300.
No. Keep it 16.
Keep it simple. 16 output, so that's 8 tracks.
8 tracks. Yeah.
Yep.
Enough for now.
Absolutely.
So you reboot your Super Collider.
Yep.
Again. You close everything.
Close it, or you can do recompile stuff, but you can just close and restart.
Just close, restart.
Right. And then
we go to the next part.
Next window.
Next window.
Can I do a transition?
Transition.
Yeah. So this is Cara.
Cara. This is a Linux program. I don't know if you're working on Linux, but you should.
You have to.
You have to.
Everything else is forbidden.
There are other software in macOS and Windows, but
yeah. So, for example, Sunflower on Mac, Loopback on Mac,
Virtual Cable on Windows,
QJack for Windows and Linux, and Mac. And Mac, right?
You can try with QJack. Yeah, we give the link in the description.
Or the new boy in town. So, what's his name again? The new from Pipewire. QTW something.
Yeah, this one now. A Pipewire Qt GUI interface.
Right. So anyway, we are going to use Cara because we like Cara. It sounds quite nice.
Maybe you have it already. This one.
Yeah, it's by default
in new Pipewire distribution. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
back to Cara.
Back to Cara.
So it's a mess.
Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff.
So we've got even more stuff because we use OBS for recording. We've got some... What do you have there? Super Collider. You see that Super Collider now has 16 outputs. It has? Yes, it has 16 outputs. That's because we changed it into the Quirk. Then we've got OBS for the video recording. We've got our external sound card there.
So this is the microphone. So now I have route Super Collider to OBS to record the sound. Also, just cut it.
No, just it's okay. You can. Oh, nice. That's a little bit too detailed. So we are going to use Ardour for recording.
Yeah. So next window, and we go back next to
Maybe
Cara.
you can just explain in Cara a little bit how to route to want. So yeah, you've got to put the Super Collider outputs into the Ardour inputs.
Into your software where you record.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as you can see here, I have output 1 and 2. This is my main input.
Output. Yes.
Output. Okay. And this go to my sound card. Next, I have the 3 and 4.
3 and 4, which was the drum, I think, the bass.
The bass,
right.
5, 6, 7,
drums
8,
and
okay.
synths.
And I route everything in Ardour.
Yes.
In 3 stereo track.
Right. So let's go
to Ardour.
Transition. Okay, we already made the tracks.
Okay.
So 4 stereo tracks.
The master. This is our main everything.
Yes.
And we can separate drum, bass, and synth.
Right.
Okay. So we have 4 tracks.
Yeah. And so if our routing is done correctly.
If we play
just one, for example, let's say
let's
drums or the bass. Okay, so now you see the level changing into Ardour in the level base. So it is just getting this sound. And you can of course record it if you want to.
Yeah, maybe we can.
Alright. Then you can add another instrument.
Stop.
Yeah, so it's just recorded what we need. And now you see on track 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, so you see the drums and
I record the
drums and bass.
Okay. The drum.
And then start.
Stop recording.
And continue. Perfect. I think we've covered everything. I don't know, do you want to add something?
No, maybe more in deep into the routing, or everything is clear.
I think we can leave that for another because it was quite a lot of information. It's a difficult topic, and depending on your computer and your settings, it might be a little bit different. We're not going to cover everything, it doesn't make a lot of sense. There are a lot of tutorials specific on Ardour or on Cara or on
Ableton, or if you use Mac, how to route sound in Mac in OS.
Which is legal, but it was more connecting FoxDot to Ardour, basically. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. See you next time. And thanks for Kev Human for the request for the tutorial. Keep asking questions and we'll try to answer. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.